Sometimes I wake up and I feel lost. Like, I don't exactly know what I'm doing in life or why I'm here. It's an odd feeling that lingers throughout the day, and sometimes it can really be uncomfortable. I've learned that the more I suppress it, the more it lingers and the louder it gets. And it's been quite the learning process to understand that nobody truly understands me, because nobody's with me every day, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And even though I would love to have that person by my side that knows exactly who I am, that person doesn't actually exist. If you believe in the universe or God or a higher power, that can be the closest thing to what I'm talking about, if that makes any sense. I feel so much pressure these days. Pressure to make money, to do something with my life, to make my time on this earth meaningful, that I find it overwhelming just to face it all, and just to face all of the expectations life has out for me. It takes every ounce of courage and tenacity for me to dig deep inside of myself and remind myself that I am doing fine, that I am safe, that I am blessed, and emotions and feelings are fleeting. They just come to visit like a fluffy cloud and will pass by with time. I've decided to stop being the manager of the universe, and however hard it may be for me to let go of control, to just try my best to take small steps in a direction my inner compass is guiding me, and let go of the results, taking away expectation of the outcome, and let things unfold. It's hard for me to understand that there are places that have war and people starving of hunger and facing injustice. And there's so much destruction and darkness. It weighs heavy on me, and sometimes it's just too much for me to bear. But I want to remind myself, and you as well, that everything will be okay. No matter what you're facing or what you're going through, whatever demons you're slaying, and whatever you're healing from that you never talk about, I know you'll find the courage to face life another day. You are special, and I am special, and we are special in our own special ways. Tomorrow is a new day. It's a new chance to start over. Miracles can happen tomorrow that did not happen today. And every storm passes eventually.